Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't no.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
We on the move again, YouTube. Gotta go back to the old school. You want a cigarette lighter to put in or some shit. Somebody give me $35, $40. Man, don't you know it's just two goddamn wires. But it is what it is, man. Yeah. That's my man Porsche truck sitting on folds. He the one that made me get my front windshield tinted, man. His shit is so dark. It'd be 5 motherfuckers in that motherfucker and I couldn't see up in it in the daytime. Shit, that motherfucker nice on the inside. I wish I could gut that out, put the insides up in here or in the old school. This one nice. This motherfucking nice. Bang out real quick. Look at this shit. Who's this calling? Yeah. Oh shit, let me go grab my mask. YouTube, my fault, man. I ain't getting no video. I was trying, it's hot. Shit, he ain't in the garage, but you know, his cigarette lighter right here. Well, original cigarette lighter like right here. So we just went to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever. He bought one with a mounting bracket, and he got a center console. So I just mounted it right here, took the back of the power off the other one, put it there, and ran a ground. So he good. $40, shit. Fuck it. Holla. Up here, getting the wheel alignment done. Found a spot to do it with 26s on it. About 5 minutes away from my house. Actually, 8 minutes. So waiting on them. Waiting on them to pull it off of my truck though. I ain't say it's a goddamn free ride shit. Smiling ear to ear. Here you go. Let's put it on the machine, line it up. Let's go. Get pulled over. The packs is yours.